What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul and you are watching the Deal Finder. Today's video, what's new, Costco's new arrivals. Let's take a walk around, see what new products we can find here at the warehouse. First up from Trinity, we have their 4-tier shoe rack. I did pull it off the shelf so we can stand back, take a look at it. It's 26 inches wide by 12 inches in depth. I don't have the exact height, but it is about 30 inches in height that I can tell from. Each shelf can hold up to 30 pounds. It's priced $39.99. Directly behind me, we have a similar product from Trinity. We have their laundry cart. Here it is directly in front of me. Now it does look like it matches that shoe rack. Let me grab the shoe rack, put it side by side, and see if it matches. That would be pretty fun. So let me grab that, bring it over, and then I am going to grab that laundry cart, pull it down, put it side by side, just in case you want to buy both. They do look like they match. Pretty nice laundry cart, I might add as well. So here they are side by side, and they do look like they're a perfect match. Same top, same powder coat finish. Pretty nice combo package if you do decide to buy them both. Now this 3-bag laundry cart is also made by Trinity, has that beautiful flip up top with a nice soft close to it. This makes it very easy to access your clothes when you do throw it in the laundry bag. Now the bags are polyester as well. Now all the tools are included to assemble this in the box, priced at $49.99. And then just down the aisle, we have the Prep Works. These are their multi-function silicone lids right in front of us. We do get a set of 10 here. Pretty unique lids here because they are multi-function, meaning you can use these in a variety of different ways. You can cover dishes with them. You can use them as a pot holder. You can use them to twist open jars and open lids with them. You can put them in the microwave, fridge, or even use them while you're serving. They're heat resistant also, up to 425 degrees. Microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, priced at $13.99. Straight down the aisle, at the end of the aisle, we have a new product from Costco. We have their water bottle cleaning and drying set directly in front of us. At the end of the aisle, pretty nice set here. The pictures that we see right in the front, those water bottles definitely not included, but it does include that nice long brush there where they have actually one on display, has a flexible neck. Now this is their all-in-one set here, great for cleaning bottles, lids, and straws. Pretty nice set. It's dishwasher safe and BPA free, $17.99. Let's head back to the front of the store. I did forget to show you the whiskware. Now here it is directly in front of us. We have their 3-pack of snack containers for our little ones at home. Now these are pretty cool. They're twist to lock, twist to open, which is nice. They're dishwasher safe, and they're also BPA free if you didn't know. Now these are also, they come in a variety here. We get the Paw Patrol and we get the Bluey, obviously, so only 2 different variations. The Bluey, everything is Bluey at Costco these days. Everywhere you look, you're going to see a Bluey item. Bluey is so popular, and here they have it, the snack containers, $19.99. And then next up from SanDisk, we have their Extreme Go. This is their portable hard drive, solid state hard drive, 2 terabytes here. Pretty awesome product. Now you can drop this up to 3 meters, has that drop protection. It's IP65, so it's water and dust resistant. Pretty awesome product. 5-year limited warranty, has a nice durable silicone shell around it for that added protection. Here it is, and it's pretty compact, I might add. Look how small it is, pretty nice. It even has a nice carabiner you can add to it. That way you can hook it right on your belt or your jeans with a loop. Pretty awesome. It's priced at $129.99. Hopefully that does drop in price. And then directly behind me from Acer, we have their 15.6-inch portable monitor right in front of us. This is pretty nice. You know, it's full HD, so it has a nice resolution. Has a IPS panel, which is awesome. 16.9 aspect ratio, and it has built-in speakers as well. It's super ultra slim design. 60 hertz refresh rate with a 6 millisecond response time. Pretty nice portable monitor, I might add. We often see these on TikTok, Amazon, Instagram, and this one is pretty decent from Acer. Also, you're buying it at Costco. If you don't like it, just return it. You don't have to worry about a restocking fee. It's priced at $79.99. And now from Smart Design, we have their armrest tray. Pretty popular product, already sold out at Costco.com, but you may find it at your warehouse. Has a nice non-slip backing. That way it doesn't slide around your couch. And those arms on the side of it that's gripping the couch, those have little springs in them. They're spring hinge arms, give it a nice grip. It's made out of the popular wood, acacia hardwood. Now this also has a nice holder in the front that could hold your smartphone or tablet, and it's priced at $18.99. And look at that to my left. Let's film that because that's also new to the warehouse. We have this beautiful faux fig tree. It's 6.5 feet high. Looks pretty lifelike, I must admit, and I do like the pot it comes in. Pretty awesome. Has wire stems for shaping. It's very lifelike. It's a beautiful fig tree. I am gonna get a nice 4K close-up shot of this. Look how amazing that looks in person. Looks amazing. This is obviously for indoor use only. It does have a pretty hefty price tag at $149.99. And now just around the corner, we have a big seller here at Costco, the very popular Wuzu fan. I love this fan. I own 3 of them. I like it a lot. Very powerful for the size. It's a 5-speed globe fan, and it does have a coverage up to 353 square feet. It's multi-oscillating as well, meaning you can move the fan up or down, or left or right, or you can do it all at the same time, which is pretty awesome. You get the remote control, 5 different speeds, super powerful. I love it. I wish they had an app where you can control it, but maybe in the future. And my only complaint is when you have it in the multi-oscillating setting, I wish they had a button to bring it back to the center mode with a click of a button, but unfortunately they don't. It's priced at $37.99. And now next up, just around the corner, once again, this time from Tramontina, we have their 12-inch skillet here. I did talk about this brand the other day. I did pick up their Dutch ovens about a year ago. They're already chipped everywhere. I am pretty disappointed in the quality. I thought they would last a lot longer, but unfortunately they didn't. So that part I am disappointed. I said I wouldn't buy it, but this product is very, very tempting. We have their cast iron skillet. I love to cook with cast iron, and these do look pretty sharp in person with that white enamel. It's priced at $39.99, and I do love the matching lid as well. And we might as well show the rope baskets right next to it. These are not new. Well, they're fairly new. These are from Artista. We have their rope basket. Now, these are 22 by 19 by 16.9 inches in height. They are a good size. When you open them up, you can fit a lot in them. They also fold up for easy storage. Pretty nice baskets here. Priced at $19.99. Not a bad price at all. On the other side of the end cap, we have the Denmark available. Now, this is their 4-piece all-purpose porcelain bowl set. It has a very strong, durable porcelain to it. It's perfect for ramen, soup, salads, a variety of different dishes. If you're on a DEIT like I am, you can load it up with salad. Pretty awesome looking set here. I don't mind the colors. I like the pattern to it. Microwave safe, dishwasher safe. Now these are 8-inch bowls. They look amazing in my opinion, but the price is even better. These are priced at $12.99. If you head over to Costco.com, they're priced for almost double the price at $21.99. So at $12.99, this is a great buy, even though it's not even on sale yet. And now below me from Gourmet Settings, we have a 20-piece flatware set. Now these look pretty awesome in my opinion. They have that high polish finish to them, which I love. These are forged, dishwasher safe. They look pretty nice. I like them a lot. Now keep in mind, when we do look at the price, you're going to think it's not bad, but it's only a service for 4. It's a 20-piece set. It's good for 4 people only. That's where they get you at. If you need more, you're going to have to double up. Now, these are priced $29.99. It's available at Costco.com for $7 more. Now, straight down the aisle, let's go have a look, see what else we can find here at the warehouse. From Tramontina up next, once again, we have their ceramic non-stick 12-piece cookware set. Pretty unique color, I must admit. All black cookware set. I'm not a huge fan of it, but if you do like this, leave a comment below. Let us know. Now, these are oven safe up to 350 degrees, dishwasher safe, and these are also compatible with all cooktops here. They have a heavy gauge aluminum. I'm really not a fan of the black, but let me know in the comment section below. Do you like the black? Me personally, I'm not a huge fan of it at all. It's priced at $134.99. And then to the right, we have the Henkel's cookware set. These I love. This is more up my alley. Tri-ply clad stainless steel, a 12-piece set. Now these look amazing as well. Oven safe, broiler safe up to 600 degrees. Their lids are good up to 425 degrees. Dishwasher safe, and these are suitable with all cooktops, even induction. Now the lids on them are pretty cool because they're straining lids. You just turn them around and you can strain with them as well, which is pretty awesome. Tri-ply, like I mentioned, they look amazing. Once you learn how to cook with stainless steel, you're never going to go to that non-stick nonsense again. These are pretty amazing. Stainless steel and cast iron is definitely the way to go. Also, they're a lot healthier for you. We got to admit that non-stick can't be good for you. But anyways, if you don't care about that, right behind me from Miyu, we have their mixing bowl set. Now this is pretty cool set here. Now what's nice and unique about this, the top, you can shred, you can grate, and you can slice with them. They have these interchangeable little discs you can insert in the top where you can grate, you can slice, and you can shred with them. Pretty cool. Now you can see there that middle bowl, you just pop out that cover and you put the little inserts in them. So you drop the inserts in them and you can use it like a mandolin. You can slice with it, you can grate, you can chop. Pretty cool. These are a 3-piece set here, stainless steel, very nice, $24.99. They're interchangeable as well. Pretty nice looking set. And then straight ahead, we have a new water bottle here available at the warehouse. A couple of new ones. Now this one directly in front of us, we have the thermo flask. These are 40 ounces, insulated, stainless steel, and they come in a 2-pack. So there's 2 different variations. We have the blue and the black, and then we have the green and the purple. Even though it looks like a million different colors here, it's not. So these are leak proof, they're dishwasher safe, they keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot up to 12 hours. Pretty nice water bottles here. They're priced $19.99. And now to my left, we have the 24-ounce tumbler from Reduce. Now these do come in a 2-pack, and you may think that these do look pretty familiar. Why? Because Costco usually carries the children's size, the toddler size. But today they brought in the adult size. They're trying it out, and here they are. Now what's unique about this tumbler is the lid. Now you can take the straw out, you can sip from it, you can drink from it, you can gulp from it. A variety of different ways you can use that top. It's priced $19.99. And then finally to my right, we have the Hydro Flask. This is their essential hydration set here. Now what does it include? You get the 40-ounce tumbler and you get the 32-ounce wide bottle mouth. Both of them are included. We have blue, black, white, and then light blue. These are all BPA free, obviously, dishwasher safe. They're insulated, stainless steel. We get a 40-ounce tumbler and then the 32-ounce water bottle, priced at $49.99. I do suspect all of them are definitely going to drop in price. And then to my right, very quickly, I do want to show the Simple Modern once again. I am going to show this in tomorrow's video. They dropped it in price. Now, this was available at Costco.com on clearance as well. If you watch my videos, you could have grabbed one for $14.97. Here at the warehouse, $9.97. On Amazon, they're about $30 to $40. So it is a great deal for only $9.97. And here we have the Simple Human, their 58-liter dual compartment step can. Now the top of the step can is made out of plastic, the lid, which I'm not a huge fan of, but it does have a soft close design to it. Here it is, not the biggest compartments either. It does have an innovative liner pocket that does store and dispenses liners inside the can, which is pretty unique, $99.99. Now let me head to the other side of the aisle to the home improvement section, because here we have the Lutech, their 12-inch wall light. Pretty nice looking light. If you like this, the style has a nice farmhouse style to it. It's bright warm, 1200 lumens here, from dusk to dawn sensor. Looks pretty amazing when you look at it, especially in person. Now it does have a quick connect for easy installation. It does include an E26 bulb. Pretty nice. It's a matte black with a copper accent. So if you look underneath it, has that copper accent, giving it a nice, more of a warm glow to it. It's only priced at $24.99. And then a little bit down the aisle, we have the garage light new to the warehouse. Now this is their 5-panel LED garage light. Now this does come in a 2-pack. So we can see here, we're looking at the box. We have one center light and then 4 different panels. Now those panels are adjustable. The center light is in a fixed position and it'll point always down. And then those panels around them, we can maneuver them, which is pretty cool. It's very bright at 8,000 max lumens, has 3 different lumen positions. Pretty unique light here. I do like that it comes in a 2-pack as well. And it's priced not bad at all. I am going to wait till this drops in price. It's only $24.99 as it is, which is fairly decent. And at the end of the aisle, we have a new product here at Costco from Callaway. They're a 2-pack of golf umbrellas. Now, I've been seeing these all over social media. Here they are. Amazing price, I might add. Now, these do have a 62-inch arc, anti-inversion struts, a vented canopy, automatic open, and sun protection. All this for only $26.99, and you do get a 2-pack, which is amazing. just in time for you to get out there and score your double and triple bogeys. If you can score par or you can score birdie or eagle, leave a comment below. Let us know how good your golf game is. To my left, we have the Bridgestone Premium Golf Bag on clearance at an amazing price, only $49.97. You can grab one of these bags for your loved one at this price point. Grab one of those umbrellas, put them in the bag. You have an awesome gift for under $100, only $75. You can't go wrong there. $49.97 for the bag, $26.99 for the umbrellas. Amazing price. I got to go back to the front of the warehouse once again. I forgot to show you a product for yesterday's video, the flash deals for the week. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. We have some amazing deals. This one from Sand and Fog, we have their 57-ounce square candle. Now, this is fairly new to the warehouse as well. I've shown it before. It's also new. It has a beautiful square design to it, 57 ounces. We can see the 4 lead-free wicks at the top. Also, if I move over to the right, it does include a nice rubber wooden lid. We can see it here. Now, the blush rose, the red one, I think is the most popular seller here at the warehouse. The next one would be the white, and then the black one finally. They're taking $5 off, bringing the price down to $19.99. You can also grab it at Costco.com for $26.99. And then directly behind me from Strivectin, we have their Peptide Serum. Now, this is their facelift in a bottle. It does target dark spots and it evens skin tones, which is pretty nice. It tights tones and contours. We get 2 bottles here. The one to the left is 1 ounce. The one to the right is a half an ounce. So a total of 1.5 ounces, $64.99. It's also available at Costco.com for the same exact price. All right, friends, ending the video here. I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to that channel, turn on the notification, and don't forget to follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. A short clip from yesterday's video, the Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer, the Boom, $329.99 with a $70 discount. Don't forget to watch this video as well. If you want to support the channel, hit that thumbs up button. Also, I am going to leave 4 other videos up on the screen. Click any one of those videos and you can watch it. Yesterday's video was the flash deals for the week. Don't forget to watch that video. Tomorrow we're doing Costco's clearance video, so don't forget about that as well. I hope everyone has a wonderful Friday tomorrow and a great weekend. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Peace.